Hi, in this video I will show you how to factory reset the HUAWEI AX3 router. It's very easy. All you need to do is to get access to the router, turn it to the back side, find the hole with the reset sign and press it with the paper clip or something long and thin for the 3 seconds, and now router is factory reset. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.